It did not move.
Who's back with another Amazon wig? Who back with another Amazon wig? Kenisha. What's up, y'all? I am back with another bone straight Amazon wig. This one is it. I like it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I'm gonna link it down below. I went ahead first off, you gotta bleach the knots, obviously. Unless you just got the perfect wig and you ain't gotta bleach no knots, then you gotta bleach the knots. So I did that, and I actually ended up doing that 2 times.
Thinking about the way I once did, the heartbreak changed me, and it's all I'm feeling. It's so wonderful and born, baby. It's coming down on me. Break your heart, harder like misery.
Okay, so now I'm starting on to the plucking of the hair of the frontal. This, you can't pluck it too far back on the sides because the lace that is hand tied is not allowed on the sides. So you're majorly going to be plucking in like a 4x4 in the sides of it. You can pluck a little bit, but don't go overboard or you will see the tracks. Not gonna lie to y'all, that's the only downside about the wig that I feel like I had. Other than that, I really like the hair.
When did we all stop believing in magic? No, I'm supposed to be unhappy with. Why did we put all our hopes in a box in the attic? I look around, set it, save it, keep it, push it while you beating, run the put them on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat.
This was my first time plucking a wig like this. My other wig, I showed you guys how I did that. So I never had did it like this before, but I had watched some videos and I wanted to try this way out. And I'm not gonna lie, I do like it much better. It's definitely a work in progress, but for the first time of me doing it like this, it came out great. So if you over bleach your knots, a trick you could use is a toothbrush and the dye, and you could just go ahead and brush those parts that you over bleached. It'll magically disappear. Now I'm just pouring in that same Adore dye into some hot water, and I'm going to dip the wig into there. I ended up dipping the lace as well because I felt like it made it look more natural.
Baby, stay strong, we gon' live long. I just wanna taste it, I just wanna taste it, all of it, all of it. I just wanna taste it, I just wanna taste it, all of it, every night and every day.
I ain't gonna lie, when it was wet I thought I messed it up, but once it dried it looked 10 times better. Here's the fun part, the lady on the meltdown. I am taking that extra glue I showed y'all. I'm trying to find something that's really waterproof. So I am testing out this glue, and honestly, from the time of me doing this voiceover, so far so good. It's hot in Illinois and I'm doing good. She ain't came up yet. So I am happy and satisfied with how this glue is working out so far.
I think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me some babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay cool in your eyes. Watching movies, but we ain't seen the thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up.
Before I lay my lace down, I actually put 3 coats in the middle and on the sides of the glue because I needed extra security because I'm not trying to have her lifting.
Can you stay up all night?
you're watching this video, then I'm sure you have watched many others. You are going to cut the lace. I messed up a little bit after this video. I thought I had a little bit too much lace and I cut it. It do look good, but when I reinstall it, it'll be better. But you don't want to cut just a straight line. It will not look natural. So you want to kind of cut it in a little wave.
I'm trying to bust all loin, bust all loin, bust all loin, bust all loin, bust all loin. I'm trying to bust all loin, 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 bust all loin. I'm trying to bust all loin, 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 bust all loin. I'm trying to bust this little bitch, little bass, little bass, little bass, this little bass, little bass.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the baby hairs. I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't put none at the top. You always can if you want to, like you don't have to cut it if you don't want to. With my last wig I did that, but this one I went ahead and cut them. And then I only did like the sides and then, you know, right there by the ears. So it was real fire. It was real fire.
Little bass, little bass, little bass, little bass, little bass.
And to lay my edges down, I just used the She Is Bomb collection glue. Okay, I'm done. I ain't even put no concealer or nothing like on the what you call it? What is it called? On the heart. I just went ahead and left it because like the way I'm looking at it, like I like it. I like it. I see it's like a little bit like white right there, but it'll probably go away. If not, then I can put like some foundation or something on it. This side is a little bit still bumpy and I don't like that, so I'm trying to fix that. But like for the most part, this is done. Like this hair is so freaking beautiful, and I'm gonna have to get a different angle for you guys because I know you can't see how like long it really is, but it's really, really long. It's really pretty, right? It's really pretty. Slayed that hoe. Bitch.
Yes. Like you can still turn around trying to see. Yes. I just said.
Who? Who cool, bitch. So I had the wig on since yesterday. We went bowling last night.